In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an invoice in WooCommerce. We'll walk through a simple, reliable way to email order details to your customer directly from your WordPress dashboard. This is really useful if a customer asks you to resend their invoice or if you want to double check what's being sent out from your store. First, make sure you're logged into your WordPress admin dashboard. This is the back-end area of your website where you manage everything for your online store. Once you're logged in, look over to the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. Here you'll see a section labeled WooCommerce. Move your mouse over WooCommerce to reveal its submenu. From that submenu, click on Orders. This will take you to the main orders page where you can see a list of all the orders placed through your store. You'll usually see columns for the order number, date, order status, customer name, total amount, and so on. Now, locate the specific order whose invoice or order details you want to send. You can scroll through the list, or if you have many orders, you might use the search bar or filters at the top to quickly find the right one by order number, customer name, or date. Once you've found the correct order, click on it to open the detailed order page. On this order details page, you'll see all the important information: the products purchased, billing and shipping details, payment method, and order notes. Focus your attention on the right-hand sidebar. In that sidebar, look for a section labeled Order Actions. This is usually presented as a small box or card with a drop-down menu. Click on the drop-down field under Order Actions. A list of available actions will appear. From this list, select the option that says Send Order Details to Customer. This tells WooCommerce that you want to email the order information, which functions as the invoice, directly to the customer's email address stored on the order. After you've selected Send Order Details to Customer, look for the Update button, typically located at the bottom right of the order page. Click Update to apply this action. When you do this, WooCommerce will send the order details email to your customer automatically. That's all you need to do. By following these steps, you can quickly resend an invoice or order confirmation whenever a customer needs it, without installing extra plugins or doing any manual emailing yourself.